Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a collection on the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app, and here it opens up in the feed. From here we just have to go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines, tap on saved, and here tap on create a collection. Now we can name our collection to have whatever name we want to have it. For example, I don't know, wood carving, like this. And then we can set who can see this collection. And then if we tap on, like if we select a more public version, then we can also add contributors to our collection. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.